First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:44 this morning and counting today. We know we've been talking about this heat wave. Well, for 13 days in a row since May 25th, we have been at or near record highs. And by that, I mean we've seen high temperatures in the upper 90s and low 100s. And to really put things in perspective, if you add them all up between Brownsville, Harlingen, McAllen, and Weslaco, we have tied or set 27 record highs. 27 times we have tied a record high or set a new record high just in the last 13 days. Pretty remarkable how long this has lasted. And even before this current heat wave started, May was a pretty warm month for us. Even though April was kind of seasonable, it was pretty hot in May. In fact, the last time we saw high temperatures in the 80s, at least average high temperatures in the 80s, was May 7th. Way back on May 7th, and I hate to say it, but I think it's going to be a long time before we see high temperatures in the 80s again. But the good news is we are going to be cooling down. I think this is the last day of this heat wave, so we might not make it to the actual 2-week mark. Subtle differences to talk about on the national level that lead to changes in our area. Yesterday, the severe weather threat was in North and South Dakota. Today, it's a little bit farther south. And if we switch over to satellite and radar, notice the rain has returned to central Texas. Now, it is petering out. We're not going to see any rain today, but it's a sign that that ridge of high pressure is weakening. It's still going to be strong over us today, but tomorrow it is going to be in a weakened state, and that actually is going to open the door for, one, a little bit cooler temperatures, and two, some small chances of rain. So we're finally going to break out of this very quiet weather pattern, at least have something else to talk about. Today, more of the same, though. Partly cloudy skies during the morning, but for much of the day, it is going to be mostly sunny. It's going to be breezy once again. Maybe not quite as breezy as yesterday, but you're going to notice it. There are going to be frequent gusts around 20 miles per hour. Eventually, I think we're going to have clear skies, and unfortunately, I think the humidity is going to be even a little bit worse than yesterday. And so I think the heat index is going to be around 106. Now tomorrow, mostly cloudy to start the day, and check this out. We haven't seen this in a while. A little bit of green showing up on the future track. Not much, but a little bit. A few showers and storms are possible tomorrow afternoon. Probably the best chance in the lower valleys. That's those sea breeze showers and storms like we saw before this heat wave actually started. We might get lucky and see a little bit of the activity move into Hidalgo County. A little bit more cloud cover tomorrow. We'll call it partly cloudy for much of the day. Eventually, we'll probably get mostly sunny, and those showers and storms will just peter out as we get to the early evening hours. But with that additional cloud cover, it won't be as hot tomorrow. Tomorrow's still going to be hot, but not as hot. So progress. 100 is going to be our high today, just about the same as yesterday. The heat index around 106. It's going to be breezy. At least there's a breeze. Gusts around 20 miles per hour. The winds are going to die down once the sun sets. Lows will be around 77. Clear skies during the evening hours, but becoming mostly cloudy late. And check out the 7-day forecast. It's nice to not show any triple digits on there. Mid to upper 90s are going to be the standard. And notice today's mostly sunny. For the rest of the 7-day forecast, partly to mostly cloudy skies and some small rain chances Thursday, Friday, Saturday, probably our best chance, a 20% chance. Then we dry out, but the clouds will stick around, and we will continue to see those temperatures in the mid to upper 90s, more reasonable for this time of year.